still on the pallet builds, making stuff out of pallets, and I decided to make a little shelf underneath the barbecue because there was nowhere to put your stuff, like rest your tongs or your trays, or put your plates here, because this gets warm but not hot enough to affect this. And also I can put my plates underneath, warm the plates up. So I just made this with a curve on it, just took all the edges off, stained it up, and it fits in between the frame. So that's really nice. You know, you could use a table, but I wanted to do this because I had it in my mind for this when I got this barbecue, because the other barbecue I had was a big gas one with the tables, like the shelves either side, and so we sort of like downsized, and so I've gone back to coals. So this still works. This still covers the wood up and the barbecue. So that's all good in. Sort of like protects it from the weather. So that's all good. And also I've been doing this made out of obviously pallets again. This is a hob cover, so we find we're not using the hob as much and we need a bit more space in the kitchen, it's only a small kitchen, and we use the air fryer a lot more than what we use the hob and the oven. So started doing this, and like doing a clear epoxy over the top, and I've done one coat, but the problem I got, I didn't look when I was gluing them together. One of the boards has got a crown on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's sort of like separated both sides of the crown, and if I'd have seen it before that, I would have planed that off, so it was all flat. Over here it's lovely, it's like a bit of glass, but here it's dry. So I'm going to put another coat on it now. This is only really like a sealer coat. It's got a few lump bits in it, a few bubbles have appeared. So I'm going to sand the tops of them off and give it another coat, because I've got two others to do. I don't know whether you've seen them in the other videos. One of them's long one, 1400 long, for the TV, and one is 1.7 long, I think, and that's for the computer desk. So I'm going to make sure that them strips of wood are not crowned before I actually do it. And what I didn't do as well, I didn't make sure this was level before I poured the sealer coat on. So some of it's gone from the sides, but I think it'll be alright. It's only a hot top cover anyway, so we can put some plates on or whatever when we're dishing up. So yeah, put another coat on and see how that one goes. I'm not going to do a flood coat because I think it's not going to come on here, so I'm going to just do another thin coat and see what that covers like. So I've still got a spot here, so I'll just take some of the tops off and mix up another one. it says on the packet you have to stir this for about 5 minutes. All the while trying not to get too many air bubbles in it. It's supposed to be self-gassing, but we'll see. You know, 5 minutes is a long time. I think that'll do that one. I think I need to, I can't really see it, see the gloss on it at all, but I think I'll leave it alone. I keep playing with it, so I think it's best to leave it alone, let it flow out. Come back in a few minutes and get some of the drips off the bottom. Yeah, I'll leave it like that, and I'll see what it's like in a few hours' time. Cheers.
The next morning.
Okay, so I've shown you the barbecue shelf that I made. I'll insert a picture over here somewhere. And this is the hob cover, which turned out pretty good. Quite pleased with that. So, because we don't use the hob much anymore, because we use the air fryer. So this has come out pretty good. So I'm really pleased with that. And also, this is the TV unit, which just had a black top. So I've done it. I made a couple of made a shelf underneath because one was glass, and I just put another one on the bottom. And so this come out really nice. So I'm really pleased with that. That's with epoxy resin, and also the side panel for the unit. And this is the big top I was working on. This come out really nice and glossy. I put a big layer of epoxy resin on here, and it come out pretty good. And also the little side one there. So I'm really pleased with that. So this is all out of pallet wood. Yeah, all for free, apart from the epoxy resin. That was an experience on its own, trying to sort it out and how to do it. First, like, you have to put a primer coat on first and then sand that back, get all the imperfections out of it, and then flood coat it. It'll come out pretty good, so I'm really pleased with that. So the next I'll be working on is, I found a nice little project. It's a coffee table. I'll insert a picture here or here somewhere. So yeah, come out pretty good. This is my little setup in the, where I do the obviously my computer and do any editing and stuff like that. So, yeah, so I didn't obviously film any of this one, maybe making it, I can't remember, but you'd probably seen, you know, didn't want to bore you making it and pouring the stuff on and all that sort of stuff. So this is the end product. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.